Hello everyone, welcome to this video and welcome to my channel. I'm Ryan and today we are here with another tutorial in Illustrator. Today we want to learn how to create a grass, like a grass on the ground, which is very easy to create. So let's jump into the program, and the very first thing we need here is to just create a circle. So just holding the shift and start creating your circle. Take care of its color, which it needs to be like grass, so I'm just changing it from white to green. So you can choose a green. Now holding the Alt button on the keyboard and then click and drag. Okay, it's good. Now that we have a copy from this, you can use the Control D to duplicate our copy to have more base for our grass. You can create a frame like this, so I'm using Control D on my keyboard. Okay, I believe it's enough. And now here we need another line, so selecting all of them and using the Alt and create another line of our green circles. So it's well now, and now again using the Control D to duplicate all of them. So just be careful of the stroke. Here we have a little black stroke which is necessary for our work. So just select all of these objects here and use Control G on your keyboard, or just go to the object and use group from here. So I'm just group all of these circles together and going to the effect. Under the distort and transform, you can select the Roughen. And now here is your time to choose your best setting for your grass. So I'm just increasing the size and then increasing the detail. You can see what will happen to our grass. So just click on OK. And now if you find it too black, you can change the stroke. For example, here we have 1 point of stroke. So I'm just decreasing it to decrease the black color of our grass. Now here's our grass, and we can change its shape by the methods we've talked in this video. So again, it was a very easy tutorial in creating a grass. And also, this video is over. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. If you have any questions, just tell me in the comment section below. I'll be glad to answer, and don't forget to see other videos in this channel. Thank you for watching.